Imagine trying to save $1 million. Let's say you save $1,000 a month. You break that down, that's $12,000 a year. It's going to take you 83 years to hit $1 million. Are you trying to be a millionaire in a nursing home? Let me say something that's going to sound really crazy to broke folks. Saving too much money is what's keeping you broke. You out here trying to stack every dime like you're trying to get buried in the money. Let's just use the theory of you save 10K. After that, then what? Whole time inflation outside doing backflips, your money is losing value like a busted iPhone. So if you're spending all these years saving, but it's actually losing value, are you really winning? Saving money is step one of the journey. You still got so many steps to go. We got to get out of that mindset. Your goal is to at least be at step 2, 3, and 4 by the end of the year. So let's play a game. There's two people. Person A saves $500 a month, keeps it in the bank. Person B saves $200 a month, but the other $300 they invest into stocks, crypto, and side hustles. 5 years later, person A has $30K saved, which is amazing. But now that $30K is really $25K in buying power. Person B is now making $2K a month in side hustles, and they have $30,000 in investments, and it's continuing to grow. So who really won in this scenario? Who would you want to be? I would love to know in the comments. If you ever said, I'm gonna save up and then I'm gonna start my business, I can't afford to invest, I'm trying to build up my savings account, or hold on, here's my favorite. I got money saved up, I'm just waiting on the right time. Congratulations, you are in the broke cycle. You're like a hamster on a wheel and you're just going and going and going. And in theory, I get it. We grew up with the mindset of you need to save your money, but that's not always the best way. If anything, you're hustling backwards. I am judging you just a little bit, but the only reason why it's a little is because I've been there before. I was that person that saved, and in reality, if I didn't do that, I think I would have been a lot further along in life. But this isn't about me, it's about you. So let me show y'all how saving less and investing more is the ultimate cheat code to really being financially set. Most people were raised on the save money, don't spend it gospel growing up. Whether it's your aunt, your mama, hell, it could even be your cousin that's asking to borrow $40 from you every other week. Even him, not being financially savvy at all, is trying to tell you, cause you need to save your money. Saving your money without a real plan is just hoarding your money. Listen, you save $500 a month, right? And you're putting it into a savings account. The bank is only giving you 0.03 interest on that. Do y'all think that's a lot? Bruh, your money is essentially in a coma. Who do you think really is coming up on that? Meanwhile, gas is up, eggs are like $9, rent is going up like it's an OnlyFans account. Every single month it's just going. Never in the history of life has stuff went down. So keep that in mind when you're trying to go on your save money kick. Now let's get one thing straight. I'm not saying don't save any money at all, but what I am saying is save up enough to where you have an emergency fund. I'm thinking 3 to 6 months. That way, just in case something really crazy happens, you have something to spend that money on. Whether you get injured, whether you lose your job, whatever the case is, you need to always have a safety net. But don't get caught in the blender. You need to start putting that money to work. Think of it as if you're an employer and you need to hire employees. You would never hire somebody on the basis of them sitting on their butt all day, watching Netflix, doing the bare minimum. But if you think about it in theory, that's essentially what you're doing by just saving your money. It is doing nothing. Like, why is your money sitting there chilling in your account like it's on a vacation? Y'all out here really loyal to these banks, but are the banks loyal to y'all? I think a lot of people don't understand that that money that's in your account that you're looking at on your phone right now is technically the bank loaning that out to somebody else. But here's the thing, they're getting a 10% interest rate on that, and they're giving you back 0.03 in return. Does that really make sense? Let me say this again. The bank is using your money that is in your savings account and they're just flipping that to somebody else. They're making money on top of money. This is the financial version of getting played. And if you rock with Scholar Paycheck, like, subscribe, Send it to your friends, because YouTube ain't trying to let your boy be great. They be giving your boy like 5 views a video. We gotta do better. One thing I need y'all to understand is rich folks are not stacking their money under a mattress. They're investing in stocks. They're buying rental properties. They're buying businesses. One thing where I made a huge mistake, and this is why I say I should have been a millionaire in my early 20s. I was the money under the mattress kind of guy. I thought that was so cool to just have stacks and stacks and stacks of cash in a shoebox. But I was hurting myself the whole time. There are so many nights where I sit there and think, man, if I would have invested in Amazon, Apple, Tesla, Google, all the way back in the day, I would be sitting on millions on top of millions. That same money that was in a shoebox, that didn't do anything for me. That didn't grow for me. Imagine trying to save $1 million. Let's say you save $1,000 a month. You break that down, that's $12,000 a year. It's going to take you 83 years to hit $1 million. Are you trying to be a millionaire in a nursing home? Now imagine if you take that same $1,000 a month and you invest it into stocks, real estate, a franchise like your boy with a 10% return rate. Bro, in 20 years, you'll be past $1 million. You'll be making money in your sleep at that point. After all, isn't that the whole goal? People always say they want to grow wealth or make money. This is how you do it. This is the play. Let's be honest. Saving feels safe. It's no risk at all. But let's be honest about something. It's no reward either. You get where I'm going? Y'all think that saving money is really protecting it. Whole time inflation is robbing you blind, and it don't even have a mask on. Everything around you is getting more expensive. Meanwhile, your money, it's decreasing. Whether you know it or not, it's decreasing. So by not taking any chances, building or investing, whether you like it or not, your money is slowly depreciating. It's quiet, it's silent, and it'll creep up on you to where years later you're like, damn, I saved all this money. Why am I still broke? Start thinking of it this way. You want to look at your money like they're soldiers. Every single dollar should be fighting to go make more dollars. Buy leverage, buy assets, buy tools. I know you want to sit onto your money, but this is the only way it's going to grow. You already mastered the art of survival. Now you need to learn how to build. And don't sit there and tell me that you don't have enough money. You do. You spend $70 a night on DoorDash. You spent $200 on some new J's. You spent $500 at the Louis store. You spent another $1,000 on a vacation because you're trying to escape away from your 9 to 5 that you don't even like. You see where I'm going with this? Invest so you don't have to keep escaping from life. Take it from me. I get to do what I want to do when I want to. And that's because once I learned the game, I started investing in multiple things to where my money is always coming in. I have no worries. I'm good in life. Here's a quick story. I got a partner that is a save it kind of guy. All he wants to do is save his money. He told me that he saved up 10K, which is hell of an accomplishment. He had this 10K, but you know what? Life be life. And so his car breaks down. Then his tires mess up. Then this comes up. My point is he ended up spending half that money just to stay. Moral of the story, having multiple streams of income will save you from all of that. So just think wise and think smart. So yeah, saving less might actually be your breakthrough. Not because it's bad, but because it's only step 1 of this. Step 2, once again, is grow, flip, and repeat. In conclusion, you're not gonna save your way into millions. You have to move your way into it. Now stop watching motivational videos every day, every second of the day, which is dope, but start doing stuff on your own. Stop watching other people win and you start winning.